This video will cover advanced searching in OneSearch. In order to perform an advanced search in OneSearch, you first have to perform a basic search. So let's start at the Library search box and type in our search terms. Remember, if I have a phrase, I can put it in quotes to tell the database or the resource that I want to keep those two words together as a phrase. Now I'm going to click search. Here's our basic search. And in the top right here in the search box, you're going to see options. Click on options, and now you're going to see a couple of additional search boxes appear. Social media, our original search, is already here. And here you can add additional search terms to that original search. Let's add job search to our existing search. In between social media and job search, you'll notice an AND. AND is a Boolean operator. Boolean operators connect your search words together to either narrow or broaden your search results. The three basic Boolean operators are AND, OR, and NOT. If I pull down the drop-down, you can see all three of those options. In this case, right now, I'm telling OneSearch that I would like it to return results that included the phrase social media and include the phrase job search. You can use Boolean operators to focus a search, particularly when your topic contains multiple search terms. You can use Boolean operators to include synonyms to broaden your search. For example, we have social media and job search, but I could add a synonym for job search by using OR and typing in a similar meaning phrase. So I'm going to go with job seeking, which is similar to job search, but not exactly the same. Below our search box, you're going to see the same limiters that you can find on the basic search on the left-hand side of the screen. We have a publication date limiter, refine your search. Notice under content type, you're going to see more content types in this particular box than you do in the basic search. To the right, you're going to see disciplines, and if we scroll down, you'll see language options and library location options. Now let's click search. If you look at the top into your search box now, you can see we have social media and job search or job seeking, meaning that we don't care if the phrase is job search or job seeking as long as it means looking for a job. So social media will be in bold, and you will see either job search or job seeking in bold in our other results. And this has been a quick overview of advanced searching using OneSearch.